How to create a crypto wallet with Trust Wallet. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we're going to learn how we can create a crypto wallet using Trust Wallet, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So if you want to actually basically create a crypto wallet with Trust Wallet, whenever you create your Trust Wallet, your wallet will already be created. Now in my case I have created multiple wallets, so you can see main wallet and you can choose other wallets as well. Now if you want to add more wallet, then tap on this main wallet option, tap on the plus icon from the top right hand side to create more wallet here. Now once you've done that, you can say just add existing wallet or create new wallet. Obviously we will select create new wallet option, then you have to simply create a secret phrase, or you can use a Swift beta to start creating your wallet. But to give you an idea, this is how you can create a crypto wallet with Trust Wallet. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, queries or doubts, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end, and see you in the next video.